Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you exactly how to start an affiliate program for your Shopify store, and it will be an step-by-step breakdown using tools that make it super easy in 2025. So affiliate marketing is a powerful way to grow your sales, get free promotion from influencers or bloggers, and only pay when you make a sale. Let's dive right into it and set up your affiliate program in a minute. So first of all, before starting whole procedure, you just need to understand what is an affiliate program. So an affiliate program lets other people promote your products that get a unique referral link, and when someone buys through it, they earn a commission. This is a performance based marketing, which means you only pay when they help you to generate a sales. Then Shopify does not have a built-in affiliate program, but there are apps that do the job perfectly. So here, as you can see, we already created an Shopify account and we have this website, and in this website, as you can see it, the front end design, in this website we have two products. So we want to affiliate this product so people do marketing freely for us. So that's for reason we are going to integrate this affiliate app in our Shopify store. So here, when I was researching, I found out that Shopify has couple of app for users, but we are going to do work with the proper app which is relevant for our users, and also the main thing is it is free for use. So here, when you will come to the dashboard, you just need to go to the setting, like go to the Shopify app store mainly, then search for affiliate marketing. So how you can do it, you just need to go to the setting. Once you click over here, then here you just need to find out the options called apps and sales channel, and then select it. Once you select this, then here you will get this sections where you will see your apps you install in your Shopify. So here you just need to click onto the top called Shopify app store. Here just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the new tab where it will show you the Shopify app store. In fact, here you can see that here we have popular with stores like yours. These app are popular in here, so you could install this one, but it is not necessary for now. So our main goal is to install an affiliate marketing app. So I am going to search affiliate marketing, and let's hit the enter button, and here you will get some top rated apps in 2025 included app prompt. Then here you can see affiliate marketing referrally, then we have this check affiliate marketing shortly, social snowball, and many more, as you can see it. So here for this tutorial I am going to use a prompt, like it is a beginner friendly and powerful. So here you can see it. If I click over here, this is free to install and popular based in United States, and you can see that the highlight and overall rating is 4.9 overall into the 5. And here you can see they has free plan, free to install, live chat support is available 24/7, and for all plans unlimited affiliates, approved any 2000 or 200 referrals per month, tracking by affiliate link, coupon, special product commission, and fraud protection. Then we have the feature analytics and automated email also. So I am going to install this one to our Shopify store. So I will click on install. In fact, when I will click over here, it will redirect me to the new tab, and here as you can see we are getting an issue. So I will again click on install. Once I click over here, then it will redirect to the new tab, as you know. So it will take a while to install it, so we need to be patient to install it. So I will click on install. Once I click over here, then it will take a while to complete the process. Once it's done, then it will redirect you to the dashboard, and here you can see our app prompt affiliate has been installed, as you can see it. So here we are going to install and set up our app prompt. So you just need to go to the apps and click on Shopify app store, then search app prompt and click add app. And once installed, you just need to go to the apps and click on upfront affiliate, and in the dashboard you will get a quick setup options. Here you can see it, onboarding. So here, once you see that, you just need to be enable upfront essential, just click over here and you just need to be enable it. Now we are going to configure the whole thing. So here you can see it will be already done. So I will enable all necessary things, then I will click on to the save, just click to the save, and then eventually it will be enabled. Here you can see that upfront. So now you just need to be continue to the setup. So click on continue to the setup, and here you can see what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a process of earning commission by promoting others' products. So here you can see it. So just click on get started. Once you click over here, then here you can see what are the merchant roles. So here you can see program setting, tracking method, affiliate link, affiliate coupon, commission time, percent of sale, then commission amount 10%. Like it is a subpath setting. Subpath is a URL path that generates custom. So if you find out this all are fixed, just click on to save and next, and here they are asking for create an affiliate account, set your email address this and as a test account. So activate affiliate account, create and test affiliate account. So here you just need to create an account, just click over here and provide an password. Okay, I'm going to provide a password, then click on reconfirm password, and once it's done, just click on create, and it will take a time to create affiliate account. And here you can see your account has been created. Now click on the next, then test the tracking system. Okay, great, click on the next, and manual payouts will be bank transfer, then debit card, check, Paytm, PayPal, BNO. So I'll select all this one and then click on save and pay. And here the main thing come that you are going to use the free trial. So here you will get the free, just click on start free trial. Once you're done, then here your configuration has been done. Now you are allowed to use this affiliate program for generate your sales. Like you can also set up custom links, coupon codes and more. Like if you want to customize your affiliate sign up in Upfront or Go App Pro, you can create a custom sign up page where affiliates apply to join, like add your brand logo and description, set themes or terms of service, what they can do, can't do, like publish the link and share it one, your website footer, thanks, your emails, social media or blog. This help build a team or promotes who already love your brand. Then once you feel that all are done, continue without subscribing, just click over here. And here you can see we have this bunch of options like program, affiliate, referrals, payments, display and solution. So now here you can see we have featured directory, documents, blogs and lots of things. So you just need to be exploited that this is the custom domain. Here if you want to change the template, you can change it from that place. If you want to customize it, you can customize it from this place. So let's see the affiliate plan. Here you can see this is our store. So now I can say you understand how easy the process was, and let me give you a bonus tip that promote your program. To grow your affiliate base, share your sign up page on social media, create a join our affiliate program blog post and reach out influencer or past customers and pop up or banner to your store. The more promoters you recruit, the more passive income you store can generate. So then let's wrap up the video here, and that's how you can launch a successful affiliate program for your Shopify store in 2025. And I hope you loved this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with a new excitement topic.